All right, what's going on, guys? T Torres back here for another video. As you can see, we have the hood popped on the Titan XD, and we're going to be installing the CFT Performance CCV atmospheric catch can. If you're interested in this product, I have a link down in the description as well. Okay, so with this kit, you also get obviously the actual catch can itself. You get the breather that's going to go on the top like so, and then you get the easy drain valve, your supplied clamps, and this is going to be the cap for your CCV off the intake as well. So I don't imagine this intake, or not this intake, but this catch can is going to take too long to install. And then you got you some 3/4 inch hose. So let's go on over to the truck. It's going to mount to the factory. There's like a factory spot. I don't remember where it's at, somewhere over here, but we're gonna be removing this factory 3/4 inch hose from here to here. We're gonna cap that one off and then run the new one straight off of here into the atmospheric catch can. And I got it coated in gloss black. This truck is getting ready for race season coming up in 2024. And I got some other stuff. You can use your imagination. I got some other stuff, powder coated gloss black as well. All right, so the first thing I'm gonna do for this install, we're gonna get that clamp loose, and then we're gonna get this clamp loose as well, and then we're gonna remove that 3/4 inch hose from the truck. All right, once you get that hose removed, you have a bolt on this side right here that you need to remove, and then once you have it off, you're gonna take your supplied cap and then put it on that barb right there. So where you have your little green cap, take your supplied clamp and put it on there. I don't know how I forgot to do that, but make sure you do that, folks, so there's no risk of that thing blowing off, etc., etc. Okay, so one last thing, where you put the nipple on for the plug, I figured out why there's another clamp, because it goes there. Okay, so it comes with the supplied locking nut and bolt, and what you're going to do is you're going to pop this tab off right here, and it's already threaded, so you put your bolt down in there with the locking nut, and I'll show you how the actual can is going to sit up in just a second. Okay, so over here on the ground, we're going to put our filter on top, and we're going to put our easy drain valve. We'll screw it in like so to the catch can, screw that in, put the air filter on, bring over our hose clamps, and this install should be done. It's not take long at all. Make sure whenever you install this valve that you have the valve closed. As you can see, it is in the closed position, and then when you open it, you push this up and over, and then as you can see, the hole opens. So we're gonna flip it back and down, and it is now closed. You do not want to leak oil all over your engine. Okay, once you have your can set up, I have the supplied bolt is in, and then I've got it a little bit loose. I'm gonna go ahead and attach the breather hose there, and then onto the actual catch can itself. And I double checked and made sure I've got my valve closed, so we're one step closer to being done. And I may be 10 minutes in total. I don't really know where this locking nut goes, because where this bolt is, there is no threads to put that locking nut on, so we ain't gonna use it. All right, there you have it. There's a CFT Performance atmospheric catch can. Don't make fun of my cutting job. My razor blade literally broke on me, but what I did was I cut a 12-inch piece of the supplied pipe and cut it down, and don't really have that much of a bend in there, but I made sure this bolt was tight. The clamps down there, I used 8mm to tighten, same as up top. Oil filter, or not the oil filter, but the air filter is on nice and secure. The valve is in the cutoff position, and yeah, that was it. Got mine powder coated black, and I believe the total was, I think it was like 250 bucks or so. So not too bad to have it, shipped to the house, and you get to pick whatever powder coating color you want. We still have some other goodies to install. We have the fast 110 we need to install, as well as we have the CFT Performance intake. Let me move this out of the way. We have our intake tube. Of course, I got that powder coated in gloss black. And then we have the thermostat, 145 degree thermostat to install. Now you may be wondering, why am I waiting to install that thermostat? I'm waiting to install that thermostat until I'm missing my transmission filter. I got the gasket in today. The filter's supposed to arrive tomorrow, and they were switching out the transmission fluid to AMSOIL full synthetic, and I want to see how the shift drives and the shift flares with just changing out the transmission fluid so I can give an unbiased opinion. And then we'll go on to install the 145 degree thermostat, because I don't know why, but this truck takes absolutely freaking forever to warm the transmission up. So hopefully that between first and second gear shift flare goes away with just the automatic transmission fluid, and then it'll be even better once we get the thermostat. So like I mentioned, CFT CCV atmospheric catch can is now installed. We're going to do the fast lift pump. And then, like I said, we're preparing ourselves for the 24 race year for this truck. So this truck's going to get a full diet. Got all the piping, all that kit is currently in. And that's going to be done over the next couple weeks. And then we'll do, once that's done, we'll be able to do, at the same time, we'll be able to do the 3.5 inch inlet pipe. I tried to do it without it, and there was just absolutely no room to get in there and to get that inlet pipe in. So I might as well wait till we get the correct parts on for the race truck application. And then, yeah, we'll be ready to rock and roll. So, and then in the meantime, what I'm going to do is I'm taking the front bumper off, and I'm going to get it paint matched as well. I have a local guy here that's going to sandblast and do everything he's got to do over the first week of October. And yeah, we're going to get the bumper paint matched. And I think that's about all I'm going to do for the truck for now. So if you're new here and you have a Titan XD, please hit that subscribe button, turn on your post notification, leave this video a big thumbs up. We got a lot more Titan XD content coming in the future. I absolutely love this truck. It's definitely a different beast when it comes to coming from a LMM Duramax to a 2016 Nissan Titan XD. I'll catch y'all in the next video. Peace.